Hey, everybody. Just wanted to do a quick little share with you. I had to go to a customer's house, talk to them about a little fence they wanted built, and I was taking my metal detector wherever I go, and they gave me permission to metal detect their front yard, which was absolutely clean, just completely shocking how clean it was. But I did the little curb strip, and let me show you what I found. I did the little curb strip, and well, found a couple of crusty old pennies. Found this beautiful little bird. Pretty cool. Not one stone missing, and the pin is still there, so I'm assuming it's not lost for very long, or it could be worn as a necklace. So, beautiful little hummingbird. Certainly happy with that.